Hello everyone. Today I'm back with impact of VAT on financial services and insurance. So let's go on with it. What are financial services? First of all, financial services are generally directly related to money, dealings in money, or its equivalent or the provision of credit. As you can see, the name also says financial, which is related to money. So anything which is related to money, dealings in money is financial services. Specialist type of finance, hire purchase, installment credit finance, shares or loan stock. Anything which is related to credits, loans, hire purchase, everything is included. Peripheral activities, investment brokerage and underwriting of securities. So anything which is related to brokerage or anything which is related to securities does come under this. VAT should be charged on financial services where practicable to do so. Wherever it is practicable, it should be charged. Where fees or similar readily identifiable charges are made, these fees will generally be liable to VAT at the standard rate. Now, any brokerage or underwriting or anything which you're getting will be chargeable. Now, let's come up to what are the types of financial services. Firstly, we should understand that currency exchange, whether affected by the exchange of banknotes or coins by crediting or debiting accounts or otherwise. Anything in any of the categories in which you fall, you have to go for the VAT implementation on that. Check or letter of credit, the issue, payment, collection or transfer of ownership. Debt security, the issue, allotment, drawing, acceptance, endorsement or transfer of ownership around any interest in or right to be paid money that is or is to be owing by anyone or any option to acquire any interest or right, providing any loan, advance or credit. Now this is quite cumbersome and it will not be easy for you to understand. So if any help required, you can mail down to me. Debt security, equity security, you know what? Debt security, you know. Equity security is what? Interest or right to a share in the capital of a body corporate or any option to acquire any such interest or right or credit contract. The renewal or variation. Any renewal or variation in the contract also attracts VAT. A guarantee indemnity security bond, the provision taking variation or release regarding the performance of obligations under a check, credit, equity security, debt security, and regarding activities listed for the points above. Bank accounts, the operation of any current deposit or savings account. Derivatives, options, swaps, credit default swaps, and futures. The provision of transfer of ownership of these financial instruments. Interest, principal, dividend. The payment or collection and also the payment and collection of any other amount regarding any debt security, equity security, credit or contract of life insurance. Now everything is being included. You have to be very clear about it or you can take any help from any of the consultants. Agreeing to do or arranging financial services also counts as the provision of financial services. Arranging for units or the counts also go for it. How will financial services be treated under VAT? Now, how are we going to treat them? Generally, financial services will be subject to 5% VAT, where they are supplied for any explicit fee, discount, commission, rebate, or a similar type of charge. Okay? These fees and charges are subject to VAT to the extent of the amount of that separately identifiable charge. VAT incurred on cost wholly attributable to the standard rated supply can be recovered fully. Any input tax, input VAT which you have paid can be recovered. Now, examples of standard rated services like operation of a bank. What are the examples of the fees liable to standard VAT are these? Some of the examples are these: subscription fee, transaction services fee, account opening or closing fee. Now, can you see that? Account opening or closing fee. Withdrawal fee, deposit fee, replacement card fee, checkbook fee, bank statement fee, maintenance fee. They're covering too much. Money transfers, transfer fee, swift transfer fee, cash handling fee, check cashing fee, fee for provision of change, mortgages, application fee, valuation fee, early repayment fee. Now see to that, how are they controlling you? Administration fee, variation fee, sales agent commission fee, refinancing fee, mortgage statement fee, processing fee. Investment banking, sales commission, participation fee, advisory fee, agency fee, administration fee. Card related services, card fee, authorization fee, cash withdrawal fee, ATM transaction fee, card holders fee, statement fee, lost card fee, commission fee, overdraft fee, balance transfer fee. Currency exchange, exchange fee, handling fee. Provision of safe custody facilities, safety deposit box fee. Loans, advance or credit, setup fee, documentation fee, renewal fee. Now, can you see that they're covering too much for the application of VAT on everything? So you have to be very clear on what you're doing, and you can take any expert guidance or any consultancy from me also. You can write down to me and you can take guidance from me. How will financial services be treated under VAT? Now, there are certain zero-rated services. Firstly, any of the services to a recipient established outside the GCC. Obviously, it will not be charged. Supply of investment grade precious metals, gold, silver, platinum at purity level of 99.9% and tradable in global bullion markets. Now, this will be zero rated because they are exempt. Exemption financial services if remunerated by way of an implicit margin. If it is remunerated by way of implicit margin, it is exempt. Example, equity security and life insurance contract, or the provision of reinsurance for life insurance, which is there is some re-changing or implicit margin or something which can be renewed, that is covered in it. VAT cannot be recovered. A financial service provided for a fee that is merely a percentage of another amount is identifiable and explicit and therefore subject to VAT. Now everything is being covered, you have to be very, very clear about it. Examples of typical categorization of transactions. Now there are certain items, these two items are exempt, these two are taxable. This gives you an idea. Lending, deposit taking, life insurance products, takaful, these are original financial intermediation and these are exempt. Trading in shares, bonds, derivative, foreign exchange, other margin based financial services are exempt. Now what is taxable? Agency services, settlement services, consultancy, advisory services, custody services and asset management, general insurance products. Fee-based financial service provision. OTC, on exchange brokerage, commodities trading are taxable. So I think so I've given you an idea what is taxable and what is not taxable. Any opinion required or any clarification, you can write down to me. Thank you so much.